it's Blaine here from Plastering For Beginners, and this video is just a quick one. I'm just going to say what's coming up in the coming future, what's in store for the videos that are coming, and basically I've just had a few comments on my last video which are good suggestions. I've had one from Paul Fleming, said another good video, but I think you need to teach different things as well, getting the perfect angles, round door frames, low electrical sockets, which are a lot harder to learn. Good point. So I'm aiming to get through that in some future videos. I also had another suggestion, which was just wondering if you could plaster on an uneven surface and explain the difference plasters to use, like bonding. Again, another great point. So I'm going to try and get into some future videos. Next week I've got a patch where I can demonstrate how to patch in a crumbled bit of wall with some bonding. I've got that lined up. I'll probably throw in some other uses and where else you would use it. And basically just try and stretch the channel out. The next video which is coming out will be showing the full process of sponge float plastering, so we'll go from start to finish. And then after that I'll start delving into the different subject matters like door frames, dealing with angles, and like I said, the second video coming up will be about bonding, working with uneven surfaces, and even I might throw some other tips there about which plasters to use. So that's all coming up in Plastering For Beginners. So that's exciting for the future, and I just thought I'd mention it, give a shout out. I am paying attention, I'm reading your comments, try and get through them all, and I do listen to what you're saying. So the next one will still be about sponge float plastering, but after that I'll start listening to your feedback. There was also some about dot and dabbing. I've not got anything lined up straight away, but I will have pretty soon some chance to film some material on dot and dabbing a wall. So that's that. Whilst you're waiting, there's a link below. Feel free to sign up to our welcome course. It's part Plastering For Beginners. We'll show you how to mix the plaster. We'll show you how to plaster a full wall, go through the whole process. I'll talk about plastering ceilings. I'll talk about which tools you'll need for the job, say which tools I recommend, talk about trowels, and then I even show you advanced lessons which you'll only get if you're a subscriber. So whilst you're waiting, sign up to that. That's in the link below. Sign up, it's completely free, and as always, leave your feedback. If you've got any other ideas of what you want for the channel to film in the future, leave a comment at the bottom of this video. Leave your suggestions, give us a like, and subscribe to the channel because we've got some more good content coming in. Thanks a lot. Cheers for being part of it. Speak soon.